Hi, my name is Miwako. Today we are going to make vegan morning glory muffins. If you like a carrot cake, you will definitely love these muffins. The recipe is in the description box below. So let's get started. Soak raisins in hot water and set them aside. Add water to flaxseed meal to create egg replacer. Then set it aside. Peel and grate carrots, which should produce 2 cups of grated carrots. Corn and julienne cut an apple. Then squeeze a whole lemon juice over it. Lemon juice prevents oxidation and makes apple tart, which is perfect for this recipe. Save a tablespoon of lemon zest, either by using a citrus zester or chop the peel very finely. If using fresh orange juice, cut and squeeze half cup of orange juice. By the way, I mill grains at home. For this recipe, I use Einkorn wheat, which is one of the ancient grains. Break walnuts into pieces. In a small bowl, mix wet ingredients. If coconut oil is solid, heat up to liquid before mixing in. Otherwise, it will take forever for it to become homogeneous. In a large bowl, whisk all the dry ingredients. Now add wet ingredients mixture and stir. Squeeze water out of soaked raisins. Add carrots, apple, raisins, sunflower seeds, walnuts, coconuts, and lemon zest. Keep mixing until everything is well combined. Line the pan and spray oil lightly. Scoop the mixture into the wells of the prepared pan. Sprinkle oatmeal to make the muffins even more irresistible. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 25 to 28 minutes. Cool in a pan for 5 minutes, then transfer to a rack. There we go, we just made delicious vegan morning glory muffins. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're going to try this recipe, and please let me know how it came out. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye!